Yellowstone warning as supervolcano could be preparing to erupt. A volcanologist who has spent time studying the volcano says the devastation it would cause would be complete and utter incomprehensible. Modern humans have never experienced the magnitude of a supervolcano eruption, and even if they did, humanity's survival would likely be uncertain. These catastrophic events, far more powerful than regular volcanic eruptions, have the potential to reshape the planet, reshape ecosystems, and cause widespread devastation. Unlike regular volcanoes, supervolcanoes unleash eruptions that register as high as 8 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI, releasing more than 1,000 cubic kilometers, 240 cubic miles, of volcanic material in a single event. For context, the infamous 1883 eruption of Krakatoa in Indonesia, which caused a massive tsunami and killed more than 36,000 people, pales in comparison to what a supervolcano could unleash. While Krakatoa remains one of the most catastrophic eruptions in recorded history, it is not considered a supervolcano. Instead, scientists have long watched giant volcanoes like Yellowstone, located in the U.S. state of Wyoming, with concern. Volcanic activity at Yellowstone began about 2 million years ago, producing 3 major eruptions throughout its geological history. These eruptions, which occurred 2.1 million, 1.3 million, and 630,000 years ago, were unlike anything modern science has ever seen, releasing enough ash and debris to bury entire regions and affect the global climate for decades. The last eruption, 630,000 years ago, was estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens, which caused more than $1 billion, 800 million pounds, in damage. Yellowstone's explosive potential is rooted in the vast reservoir of magma that lies beneath the surface of Yellowstone National Park, an area renowned for its geysers, hot springs, and stunning scenery. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, Yellowstone has been relatively stable for the past 140 years. However, experts continue to study its behavior, knowing the potential consequences of its awakening. If Yellowstone were to erupt tomorrow, the consequences would be catastrophic. The Smithsonian Channel short documentary, What If the Yellowstone Volcano Erupted Tomorrow?, explores this hypothetical scenario, painting a grim picture of what would happen. Speaking of the highly unpredictable situation, the narrator notes, "Right now, in the U.S., one of the world's largest volcanoes is preparing to erupt. If Yellowstone decided to erupt, the results would be catastrophic. The volcano has erupted 3 times in the past 3 million years, leading some to wonder if we need to worry about another eruption in the near future." But if it happened tomorrow and you lived in North America, there's almost nothing you could do to prepare. Dr. Robert B. Smith, a geophysicist and expert on supervolcanoes, describes the potential devastation as complete and utter incomprehensible. Unlike smaller volcanic eruptions that primarily produce lava flows, a Yellowstone eruption would eject most of its magma as ash, creating a vast plume that would blanket much of North America and spread around the world.